if you guys are ready, look, we're gonna have an awesome property right behind me. I'm talking about 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. When you see this backyard and the view, forget it. I'll meet you guys inside. We'll talk soon. We made it inside, and one of the things I'm noticing off the bat are these beautiful hardwood floors. We come into the main living room area, TV to my left with this beautiful accent wall to my right. Hey, let's say you don't like this blue color, you can paint it to fit your taste. We're coming right into the kitchen. What's really cool about this property is some of the unique features. I'm talking about things like this light fixture here. I like that it's almost like a transitionary lens from clear all the way to black. Again, we already know that when you add these touches, it can really elevate the look of the property. Behind me, we are gonna have the infinity white. I'm loving these black fixtures, guys. It just gives it a modern feel. Granite countertops with a little speckle of red in there as well. It does have a full granite backsplash as well. Really expensive stuff, but this is a more higher end property, so we went all out to make sure it fits your needs. Microwave, matching stainless steel appliances. We have a range, recessed lighting throughout. We do have a dedicated dining space. Here in 2023, guys, this is becoming more and more obsolete, but some folks do want that. But here's the deal, if you wanted to use this as a breakfast nook, you can. It doesn't necessarily have to be a full dining room. You can design it to be exactly what you want. But I really want you guys to see this view. But just look at that view. Again, we can see, is it the most beautiful day in the world? No, but I actually like it. Seeing the fog out here today, here on my porch, I can just imagine either grilling, having a cocktail, or hey, morning coffee. This is where I'm gonna be spending my time. As I come up the stairs, we do have 1 bedroom to my left, another one to my right. This one is going to be a little bit bigger, but guess what? Hey, if you wanted to utilize that as an office space, you can. We do have a bathroom here, but guys, what I want you to see is this master bedroom. King size bed, massive window here, and watch what's over here. Well, there you have it. Full closet with the lighting, also makes it feel a little bit bigger. We step into the master bathroom here. It's a full walk-in shower, so easy to get in and out. Look at this beautiful tiled floor, marble countertop, giant mirror here. It makes sense. If this house wasn't enough, we do have something in store for you in the basement. But before we go down there, if you like this type of content, smash that subscribe button. Guys, we're coming at you guys weekly with up-to-date market information and videos like this about the Rhode Island and Massachusetts market. So punch that subscribe button so that you can stay notified. Hey, you guys made it down into the basement, but you're gonna notice it's a full walkout. So it doesn't feel like you're underground. You can walk right outside. It's actually at level. We do have a new rug down here, platinum colored walls, recessed lighting. This is a den. You want to put a nice couch here. You can mount your TV. We already have that mount there. And still an additional space over here. You're gonna notice a common theme here, the infinity white, the black knobs, granite countertop, large mirror, walk-in tub, finished floors. This is what this property has to offer. We just walked out from the basement here into the backyard, and you're gonna notice this beautiful white fence. But one of the things is, this is gonna offer you a ton of privacy. And guess what? If you want to get more of that view, you're gonna go right on your deck, right above us. What I like is that there's space to store things, maybe get away from some of the rain. It's raining now. But hey, if you wanted to in the summer, imagine grilling out there, looking at the stars. You have that space and luxury. So I'm gonna call this the haven of the property. That's what we have here, folks. If you like this type of content, smash that subscribe button. We're always here to help. But before you go, if you are in the local market, I'm talking about Rhode Island or Massachusetts, and you're looking to buy or sell a property, give us a message. We're here to help, guide you through the process, and even just answer your questions. Omar Valerio, the community man, we're here to help. Take care.